Welcome to the Zeo Route Planner, Hubspot Integration Setup Guide. If you're ready to streamline your delivery workflow directly from your CRM, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through how to seamlessly connect Zeo Route Planner with Hubspot, so your sales, logistics, and delivery teams stay perfectly in sync. Let's get started. First, log into your Hubspot account. From the top taskbar, navigate to Marketplace and select Apps. This brings you to the Hubspot App Marketplace, your hub for integrations. In the search bar, type Zeo Route Planner. Click on the app and then hit Install. This will redirect you to the Zeo login page, and if you're new to Zeo, click Sign Up and enter your email to get started. For signing in, enter your email and password and click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Zeo Playground, your dashboard for managing routes, drivers, stops, and more. Now click your profile icon at the bottom left corner and head over to Settings option. From there, select the CRM Integration tab. This is where the CRM integration happens. Zeo lets you connect to multiple platforms, including HubSpot, with just one click. Find HubSpot in the list and click Connect. You'll be taken to HubSpot to select the account you want to connect. On the Permissions page, Zeo will ask for access to your HubSpot data. Click Connect App to finalize the integration. That's it. You can now auto-import contacts, deals, or addresses directly from HubSpot, create routes in seconds from CRM data. Happy routing!